What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, you should subscribe. Today we're going to change the oil on the RX-8. I try to change it about every 3,000 miles. It's kind of at, I think, 3,300 right now, but it's fine. We're going to change it, but first we're going to go get some breakfast. Why did they make RX-8 filters so hard to get to?
Why don't you do this next time?
If the car's not hot, I will.
She's just pouring oil all over her engine bay right now.
No, I'm not. It's going in the funnel. Alright, let's start her up. Good deal.
Let's see how good you are.
How good I am.
Yeah, you
Actually,
said it was perfect.
I need a flashlight. Where's the flashlight?
On my toolbox.
Look at that. Look at that. It's right there. And the full line's right there.
Wow.
I'm perfect.
Put your car back together.
I am. There. So I think that there's a loose baffle inside of the resonator there. So at some point we might just cut it off and put a straight piece of pipe there. You can't really see, but my brake pads are super thin on the front. So we might run to AutoZone and get some cheap brake pads to throw on there. Okay, so we got brake pads at AutoZone. Now we're on our way back to Bradley's work and we're gonna switch them out real quick. Yeah, go. Got some brake pads. Now we're gonna put them on. This is gonna be heavy.
It's okay.
I'm not that strong.
You got it.
I have baby arms.
You got it. Lift.
Oh my god.
Come on. Now you have two things to beep out. Alright, set it down.
Did it get black on my chin? I hit myself in the face with it.
Those were done.
Yep.
You got all your money's worth.
Pumping the brakes up. They're good to go. Alright guys, that's basically it for today's video. We don't really have a whole lot going on today, but thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.